Alright, so got a good position on the drum. Step one, grab your bracket. And this bracket, you can tell it's got a little dip right here. Well, that dip is going to match this piece here underneath your rear end. And so what you want to do is take it apart. I'll leave the top one on, see what I can. I'm probably going to take them both apart. Hopefully you guys aren't staring up the top of my head. Take it apart. Put it here. Alright. You want to do this loosely. So that way. Hi, babe.
Hi. Got you 4 new boxes.
Awesome, thank you.
You're welcome.
The chicken's on the smoker.
Cool. Is God?
Yeah.
Hey, God.
Freaking flies. Okay. Of course there's a fly down there. Why wouldn't there be? Something to bother me. Alright, so this, I want you to do it loosely. Why are you kicking me, kid?
I need you to get out.
No, I'm working. What do you need me to get out for? Ew, pumpkin's gross. Go outside, I'll be there shortly.
They're the best Pop-Tarts in the world.
Yeah, everyone says that about pumpkin Pop-Tarts. They're not the best Pop-Tarts. Strawberries. We all know this. The world is aware. Alright, now we have got that loosely put on. Let's read our directions together. Now that you got the bracket around loosely, next thing is, so loosely install 2-piece caliper bracket onto the differential. You will fully tighten it permanently after the caliper is mounted and aligned. Yes. Alright, place the caliper onto the rotor. Make sure the brake pads are on either side of the rotor. Now, I'm gonna go, it will be, but we want to look at this to show you that where we are, there's going to be a sleeve that goes through to the caliper, right, from this bracket to the caliper mounting area. And this part goes up, so let's look here. Alright, after the 2 bolts tubes are mounted, the caliper, tighten them completely. Alright. One thing I didn't bring down here is tools. You know, when you should bring tools everywhere with you. Good idea. So, we are going to put this Willwood brake caliper setup. Let's make sure it goes around it pretty simple here. Oh, it's backwards. That would be a reason. Let's open the brake pads up. Let's see, can we get them around? We can. Alright. Now, this guy goes here. Looks like we're going there. Right through. Oh, they go from the back forward. Okay. So having that now, let's see here. Put it through this sleeve. Awesome. Now, once we, you know what I recommend now is I'm telling you, put this bolt through first, then get your brake pads down here together onto the disc. All right, and then slide this up and tighten, screw this into there. This bolt will hold the caliper on at first. Okay, couple, let's get that tight. A wise man would have got the right sizes before I jumped down here. Okay, next sleeve. put that in. Alright. Oh, that's awesome. Now, right when I was about to say, oh, this is easier than I thought it would be. There we go. Okay. All right. Now, pretty much you can see everything I just did. All right. I'll try and get you. All right. So, now, we're going to have to tighten all this. But you can see here how it sits. Once I tighten this guy, the mounting bracket on the back to the rear nose, everything will be lined up. We'll get it straightened out. Thanks, babe. And then this guy, as it pulls down, no, up, one of the two. Let's see here. I don't know how it works, but this is your mock-up. This is what we got. Let's take this out of here. You gotta see everything. You gotta tighten these bolts to align it straight. Make sure it's up and down straight onto the rear nose. See that? And then next we got to do the brackets. So here we go. Stay tuned. Next video will come to show you everything tightened up and how I route the wire and all that good stuff.